So hey guys, how's it going? This is Williamson here with WA Films. Today I have a new video for you. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how you can get the same look that I have right now here, which is actually very simple. This is just one window light over here. If you are the type of YouTuber that don't have the resources at this point to invest in lighting or stuff like that, hey, this video is gonna be really helpful for you. And just so you know guys, this is very simple. This is gonna be straightforward guys. Anybody can get this look, and there's no secrets going on over here. Trust me, for this setup you don't need to buy any lighting whatsoever. You don't need to purchase anything at all. There's no excuses when it comes to lighting for you to make it work. You can do this easily in any situations. You can use this for your YouTube channel. You can use this for any type of interview kind of thing, if it works for you. If this is the lighting style that you're looking for, it's gonna work. Now your camera is going to be on the opposite side of the light, so the lighting is coming in kind of like 45 degrees, and I have my camera placement right on the other side. So this is how you can get this look. Now I just remove the stuff from the back, as you guys can see over here. There's nothing going on in the back. There's no lighting whatsoever. It looks great. I'm shooting as always on the 1D Mark II, and I'm using a 50mm. I have the camera a little farther away, so I'm creating some kind of compression for this. Now I'm gonna add a backlight just to create a headlight. I just want to see what it looks like. I'm curious to see, and I think it's gonna look nice. Now one more thing, in my case I'm a little bit close to the wall at the back, so somehow it's not creating that compression that I really wanted. But if you are able to have your setup farther away from the wall, trust me, with decent lighting conditions you are going to be able to dark your background and to create more compression. Your shot is gonna look amazing. So let's add another light and see what it's gonna look like. So hey guys, this is the look that you can get by just adding an additional light in the back. Guys, it is only one light that I add in the back just to create this separation. It looks really nice, really dramatic, really interesting lighting going on here. It's really nice. So again, I'm still using this beautiful softbox, natural softbox. The light in the back is just if you want to do it. For this you can use any light as long as you match the same color temperature. I'm shooting 5500 because I'm using a natural light, so this light in the back is also 5500 Kelvins. So just make sure to match those colors. So there you have it guys, that's it for today. Hey, there was a short video, straightforward, just to show you this easy setup that anybody can do. So for this one I just reframe the camera a little bit, just play around a little bit with the composition as well. I just moved it a little bit to the right, just to avoid the doors and the back, and focus more on the setup that I have here. Just play around and see what works better for you as far as composition, and if you have to reframe your scene in order to get the shot that you need, feel free to do that as well. This was a video that you guys enjoyed. Hey, feel free to subscribe and comment down below. I just wanted to just to make it easy for you guys, and show you how simple and how affordable your lighting can be. There's no excuses when it comes to lighting. See you guys next time.